So I'm going to discuss the BOOTP or Bootstrap Protocol, BRI, Basic Rate, Interface, Bridge, Broadband, and Router. So first, the BOOTP or Bootstrap Protocol. So what is a Bootstrap Protocol? So BOOTP, short for Bootstrap Protocol, is a network protocol used by a client device to obtain its IP address and other network configuration information such as the subnet mask, default gateway, and IP address of DNS served. Though how it works: when a client device such as a computer or printer boots up, it needs to obtain its network configuration. It broadcasts a boot request message network. This message contains the device MAC address. So third is the BOOTP server. So there is a special server which is called BOOTP server. On the network, there's a special server called BOOTP server. This server listens for boot request message. When it receives one, it looks up the MAC address in its configuration database. Then, so this is how it works. So first, ang bootkick mo ni ang bootp clients, which is nasa left side. So mo request siya padung dito sa boot server. So ikuan wala pa sa IP address, so iyang gidala is iyang MAC address. So mo request siya padung dito ni BOOTP server. So si BOOTP server kay mo respond siya, which is siya ang mohatag sa IP address sa bag-ong mga client. So mauna ang work sa BOOTP protocol. So what is my IP address? So ang client mo yung mangayo ngadto kang BOOTP server. Then si BOOTP mo yung reply ug mohatag siyang IP address ngadto ka sa client para maka-access sa network. Then next is BRI or Basic Rate Interface. So BRI Basic Rate Interface is a standard ISDN integrated service digital network interface used for connecting devices to the public switch telephone network PSTN for voice and transmission. So mao ni siya, for example ning BRI di kay murag simple siya nga kuan ba nga phone call nga naara sa balay nga mga small ra, which is person to person nga call. Basic Rate Interface is a ISDN interface primarily used for small-scale connection, typically in homes and small businesses. It consists of 2 B-bearer channels for data and 1 D-channel for signaling and control. So, mao tong ingong ganina nga magamit siya sa mga home and small businesses. So what is B channels? So the 2 B channels is in a BRI interface are used for carrying user data such as voice, fax, or digital data. Each B channel provides a bandwidth of 64 kbps, resulting in a total 128 kbps when both channels are used simultaneously. So next is the D channel. So what is a D channel? So the D channel is used for signaling and control purposes. It carries signaling information such as call, setup, turn down, and other control messages between the user's equipment and telephone exchange. So BRI configuration. In terms of configuration, BRI interfaces are typically found in ISDN terminals such as ISDN phones, routers, or integrated access device IADS. This device connects to BRI interface using RJ45 connector. So kani for example ning BRI for example cap with connected with 2 string nga magkuan ba tawag sa pikas na usa ka tawo who receive a call and other nasa mo receive sa pikas. So kung na gusto magkitabilayan, so magpaabot siya sa usa. So mao na ang basic rate interface. So tagsa-tagsa siya. So application of BRI, so mao ni siya voice communication, data transmission, and fax services. So next is bridge. So bridge play a crucial role in connecting different segments of network. facilitating efficient communication between devices. So mo ni siya ang bridge. So what is bridge? In computer networking, a bridge is device that operates at the data link layer 2 of OSI model. Its primary function is to interconnect multiple network segments and manage the flow of data between them. So how bridge works? So when a device on one network segment wants to communicate with a device on another segment, it sends a data frame. The bridge receives this frame, examines its destination MAC address, and forwards it to the appropriate segment. So mao ni ang bridge. So mo interconnect siya sa lain-lain nga server. So mo ni server 1 o server 2 for example. Mo ni ang hub then mga PC. So dili siya nga kuan gid nga ni router man ni. So router na pasabot. So ang bridge is kung kinsay nag-interconnect sa duha ka server. So para maka-access ang per server sa second server. So ang example ni kang pareha ng kuan duha ka duha ka island. So first island na sa network computer dito, ang second island na sa computer. So kung ang usa kay gusto mag-connect sa bikas, so mao na atong gitawag og bridge. So unsay kung gusto ka na kay ma-access ito nga sa Picas Island, mo gamit ka og bridge. So kung unsay naa dito sa Picas, pwede mo ma-access. For example, nasa lane nagkaduwa na duwa dito. Then gusto ka mo duwa naka sa Picas Island. So tungod sa bridge, pwede ka maka-access sa ilang nga duwa. So mauna ang bridge. So next is broadband. So familiar naman taning broadband. So what is broadband? Broadband refers to high-speed internet access that is always on the faster than traditional dial-up access. Unlike dial-up, which uses a narrow band connection over a telephone line, broadband utilizes a wide band of frequencies to transmit large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. So broadband is the transmission of high-quality data of wide bandwidth. In its simplest form, it is a high-speed internet connection that is always on broadband connection include Wi-Fi, DSLS, fiber, and satellite. So mo ni ang mga example sa broadband. So ang satellites, Wi-Fi, so mo na nga nagpakusog sa dagan sa mga data sa tibok kalibutan. So benefit to broadband, so high speeds, always on connection, supports multiple devices. So mao na siya ang broadband. Then ang router, so kaning router kay kuha siya connection of bridge and a router. So pare-pareha sila sa router pero lahi ni siya duha na siya kalainan sa bridge. So a router combines the functionalities of a bridge and a router, offering unique advantage in network management and connectivity. Let's delve into the router and how it works. So what is a router? So a router, as the name suggests, is a hybrid device that combines the features of bridge and a router. It operates at both the data link layer 2, and network layer 3 of an OSI model, allowing it to perform tasks traditionally handled by both servers. So bridge functionality. So similar to bridge, a router connects to multiple network segments together. It examines the destination MAC address of incoming frames and forwards them only to appropriate segment, effectively filtering network traffic and reducing then router functionality. A router also performs routing tasks. It examines the destination IP address of incoming packets and determines the best path for forwarding them to their destination based on the routing tables. Network protocols such as RIP or Routing Information Protocol or OSPF, Open Shortest Path First. So mauni ang B router. So ang kalainan niya sa bridge kay usara nga kuan mo rasa mo file, ang usa maka-access sa Picas, ang usa maka-access sa Picas. So ang B router is more sa improvement sa bridge. So ang B router kay pwede ka maka-access ka sa Picas nga file, so at the same time maka-access ka sa network which is the internet network. Mao nay ka nindot sa beer router. So mao ni ang beer router para parehar sa bridge, pero nasay lain nga, nasilay differences. So maura to